Hey everybody. It looks like the Justice Department is in some trouble over its handling of the Kilmar Abrego Garcia case. This is a pretty big deal, so let me explain. I'm Liz Oyer, the former pardon attorney for the Department of Justice. Kilmar Abrego Garcia is the Maryland man who was mistakenly deported to El Salvador in March. The Justice Department fought tooth and nail to keep him there, but eventually they had to bring him back to the U.S. Once they brought him back, they decided to punish him by bringing criminal charges against him. In May, they charged him in Tennessee in a federal court with illegally transporting undocumented immigrants. The charges were based on a traffic stop that actually took place 3 years earlier in 2022. No charges were brought at the time. In fact, the case was actually closed until after Abrego successfully challenged his deportation in court. Abrego has now raised a legal claim known as vindictive prosecution. This is a type of due process argument. Due process prohibits the government from punishing someone just for exercising their legal rights. Abrego is arguing that he is being punished for successfully challenging his illegal deportation in court. The bar is very high to prove vindictive prosecution, so those claims are rarely successful. But in Abrego's case, the judge just found that he has proved that the case against him was likely a vindictive prosecution, meaning that it was likely an illegal act of retaliation by the government. This isn't a final ruling, but it means that Abrego now gets a full hearing on his claim, which is a major step toward getting his case thrown out. Vindictive prosecution cases rarely make it this far, so this is a pretty big deal. It also reflects very badly on Todd Blanche, the Deputy Attorney General. The court actually called out Blanche by name, referencing statements that he made to the press about Abrego. Specifically, Blanche went on Fox News and said that the Justice Department only started investigating Abrego after he successfully challenged his deportation. In other words, Blanche basically admitted on national TV that the prosecution of Abrego was pure retaliation, and now his statements are coming back to bite him. This type of accountability is exactly what we need from our courts right now, so put this one in the good news column.